Hi guys, welcome back to Channel Wagwan Tours. We're here in Old Town, in the medieval town. Let's go and have a look around. Another little picturesque streets. Good workmen working over there. Okay, nice hotel up there. If I like all that Jesus stuff. Oh, this kid's gonna get me copyrighted. Let's go have a quick look.
Well, we don't have to
Oh, stand in the shade. Just got to pay to get in here. I'll quickly show you that. Yeah, very nice. They monetise everything nowadays. Nothing's left. No money's going to the people who built it. Oh yeah, look. I'll show you this over. Hopefully you can see it. It's nice big statues. Don't look like anyone goes around there. Yeah. If you can see them. But yeah. Nice big statues down there. Let's keep going. Nice cobblestones. So it's really hot down there. Everyone walking in the shade, but I quite like it. So yeah, let us know if you've been here before. What's your favourite part? What's your favourite bar here? It's our first time, well, our second time now actually. Came here the other night, went to Fuego. Got told off by the lady because I went round to the next bar, Naughty Man. Yeah, I love these old towns. But my favourite Gothic town is in Barcelona. I do like the Gothic quarter there. I haven't been for years though, so Look out for maybe an October trip. Might do Barcelona and Albufeira in October for Sabrina's birthday. 2 places that she loves. So this little area. Lovely little statue. I wonder if you just go up there. There's no one stopping me. Let's sneak up. Let's keep going. Oh God. Sorry for my heavy breathing, everyone. It's very tiring. Walking, all this walking. We've just done must have done about 10 videos already today. Job offices. I know you don't care if we're tired. Sweating one out. Must be 37 degrees right now. This is filmed on Monday. This old boy here. Let's see, where did we come from? I did not go through that gate, did I? Very beautiful little area there. Let's have a check on my maps. It's the boys. Okay, straight up here. And we go left. Oh, cooler here. So if you want to see this at night time, check out our night video from here. I think we made about 3 or 4. Yes, I remember this bit.
Is it worth
Esse?
Hvad kan du for din kuffert heller?
So we're down here. That's the boys again, enjoying life. Oh, so make sure you like, subscribe, everything. Remember, 90% of you guys are not subscribed to the channel who watch my videos, so please subscribe, like and share with your family, because I know a lot of people have family who love to come to Rhodes. And I'll see you in the next one, if you can see that.